Welcome to our video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we'll be diving into the world of preventive maintenance schedules, often considered the backbone of smooth-running operations. But are they enough to keep your equipment in top shape? Stick around to hear from maintenance and operations experts on this hot topic and learn how to best optimize your company's preventive maintenance strategies. We'll also provide guidelines to streamline your daily operations and maintain equipment in optimal condition. Now let's dive in. Preventive maintenance schedules are like the roadmap for your maintenance team, outlining when and how to service your manufacturing equipment. But, according to maintenance and operations experts, these schedules don't always meet the unique needs of the equipment or facilities. Sometimes, they might not consider all the factors necessary to keep your equipment in optimal condition. Let's hear what some of these experts have to say. Dave Ingham, a maintenance engineer, says, equipment preventive maintenance intervals depend greatly on service, criticality, manufacturer, and design. Many of our preventive maintenance intervals are specific to that one single piece of equipment, and that has been optimized after operating for many years. Joe Longin, a performance management consultant, adds, the schedule is just one variable in preventive maintenance optimization. The schedule really can be driven by condition, failures reported, regulations, policy, or by a recommendation. But that last one is many times the least effective in driving the preventive maintenance schedule and tasks. They really need to be based on addressing failures. They are also best when specific to asset class or type, or component level. These experts highlight the limitations of preventive maintenance schedules. They suggest expanding your preventive maintenance to include a wider strategy and a range of techniques to keep your equipment in top shape. They also emphasize the importance of flexibility. The equipment and its needs should drive the schedule, not the other way around. If something doesn't make sense, it's worth taking a closer look to see what could be improved or streamlined. Eric Hupje, a maintenance and reliability manager, cautions, I would be careful with just listing maintenance schedules. A preventive maintenance program should be derived from analyzing relevant failure modes and the likelihood and consequences of those potential failures. Equipment manuals are a starting point at best. Those manuals typically focus on minimizing the risk to a manufacturer during a warranty period, and usually don't focus on ensuring value for the actual equipment owner. Julian Zek, a senior program manager for maintenance optimization and predictive maintenance, shares, in offshore business, before performance and achieving long asset lifespan, we prioritize safety aspect. Our most valuable preventive maintenance actions focus on protecting equipment integrity from so-called cliff events that should never occur. Equipment or attached assembly falls off, uncontrolled movement, release of chemicals, and uncontrolled release of energy. For that, we have short but focused checklists to be performed by the crew. These professionals suggest that preventive maintenance schedules should be tailored to fit the needs of the employees and the company. Small actions taken during routine preventive maintenance can add significant value. Clint Milieu, a facilities management consultant, shares his approach. I listen to the equipment. First, I split up the needed maintenance into wear-related items and non-wear-related items. I then pick a time frame to do the wear-related items that make sense in how the equipment is used and can be measured. For example, I have used cycle counts for press bars to inspect for scoring and grease instead of the manufacturer's recommended items. I then try to get rid of as many non-wear-related items with condition-based preventive maintenance tasks, such as oil sampling, thermography, or vibration analysis. His advice? Consider a multi-prong approach to your preventive maintenance. Some factors to consider might include time, wear, cycles run, lifespan, and more. So how can companies strike a balance between streamlining their maintenance and ensuring everything gets done in a timely manner? The answer lies in optimizing their processes. But remember, what works for one company might not work for another. Here are some basic guidelines to start optimizing your company's preventive maintenance. First, determine the most critical assets. Then, match your employees with the company needs. Schedule the work orders and shift recurring work orders into the daily schedule. The key is to maintain an appropriate level of flexibility while standardizing your processes to streamline your daily operation. This might sound like a tall order, but it's a surefire way to optimize your preventive maintenance schedules and strategies. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the importance of preventive maintenance schedules, heard from industry experts, and discussed strategies for optimizing these schedules. Remember, the key is flexibility and a multi-pronged approach. If you found this video helpful, Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.